Are you ready to unleash the power of programming? Learning a programming language is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in solving real-world problems with it. That's why we've designed a course that goes beyond syntax and simple commands. Introducing our Python logic building course, where you'll not only think like a programmer, but you'll code, dream, and live like one. With more than 25 logic building, real-world problems, you'll tackle everything from printing geometric shapes to solving complex problems of arrays and lists. And with expert guidance, you'll develop meta-thinking skills to approach problems from all angles. Once you've completed this course, you'll do more than just write code. You'll be able to build the logic even in your sleep. And that is a promise. Take the first step towards becoming a true programmer. Enroll now and let's code your future together.